I'm nothing on my own. I make mistakes and often slip, just common flesh and bone. But I'll prove someday just why I say I'm of a special kind. When he was on the cross, I was on his mind. The look of love was on his face, the thorns were on his head, blood rolled down his scarlet robe that stained a crimson red. Though his eyes were on the crowd that day, he looked ahead in time. When he was on the cross, I was on his mind. He knew me, yet he loved me. He whose glory makes the heavens shine.